Hi guys, this is Agashini. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quarantine empties video, which means that I'm going to show you everything that I have completely used up in the categories of skincare, makeup and hair. So what you can expect from this video is that you can expect mini reviews of each of the products I'll be mentioning in the video. I have 10 products in total, and I'm also going to tell you whether I'm going to repurchase them or not. And you know what the best part about this empties tag video is? It is that I have not used all of these products up because I like all of them. Some products I have actually used up because I could not let my money go to waste, and I think that sometimes it happens to you as well. So if it does, before you actually go and spend your money on this, what I think is that this video is going to help you to decide whether you want to spend your money on something or whether you're better off without spending your money on a particular product. Thereby this video is going to help you saving some money. So without further ado, let's get started. What is wrong with my hair today? Anyway, so I'm first going to talk about skincare, and in skincare I have two products that I have completely used up, and I am talking about one product that until very recently I did not know the kind of difference that it makes to your skin. I am talking about toners. Now the first toner that I have completely used up is this one from Khadi. This is the Khadi Mint and Cucumber Toner, and as you can see, I have literally hit the very end of the bottle. I love this toner. You know, I have this video on my channel where I had shown a complete skincare routine with products under rupees 500, and that does not mean that each of the products are under rupees 500. I think there were 7 products and all of them together amounted to 500 and actually a bit less than that. So उस routine में जिस toner की बात मैंने की थी वो थी इस Khadi का toner, and I stick to my decision. I stick to what I had said in this video. This toner is just amazing. Wow. I love how it smells. I love how refreshing it feels. I literally spray this on my face after I come out of the shower, after I wash my face or just randomly, and it just gives such a cooling effect on my skin, guys, and my skin instantly feels rejuvenated, which is just so awesome. And you know what, the best part is that this toner retails for only rupees 95. So I am definitely going to repurchase it, and you can buy it too, and I promise you that this is just simply amazing. This does not feel sticky on your face, and it just gives a very cooling, hydrating effect on the face, and the best part is it retails only for rupees 95. The next toner that I have used up is this one from Fab India, and this is the Tea Tree Skin Toner. Now this one retailed for rupees 150. So I also love the smell of this. I just felt that it is an alright okay type product, by which I mean that it does not do anything amazing for the skin, or it does not give a very cooling or soothing effect either. And another issue that I had was with the nozzle of the bottle. I don't know if this product that I bought in particular was defective, but I'm having such a terrible headache, guys. कोई नहीं. हाँ, तो जो मैं बता रही थी कि ये जो टोनर है ना, इसमें कोई खास बात तो है नहीं. It is okay. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad. It's not harmful for the skin. It is not going to have any side effects, but it doesn't do anything for your skin either. It is just all right. It smells well. It retails for rupees 150, and I really think that the Khadi toner is so much better, retailing at rupees 95 only. In terms of quantity, just let me check. So 100 ml of this retails for rupees 95, and 100 ml of this retails for 150. So if you are given a choice between these two, go for the Khadi one. And if I'm going to be repurchasing the Fab India toner, no, because I have found a toner under rupees 100 that performs better than this. Also, another thing in terms of the list of ingredients, the Khadi toner's list ingredients are much more cleaner than the Fab India toner's ingredients, so that is also a plus point for this one. It is very natural ingredients and hardly has any chemicals, but it does have salicylic acid, propylene glycol, and also, you know, phenoxyethanol and stuff like that. So yeah, you clearly know which one is a better choice, but I used up both of these. Next up is a body wash that I have completely used up, and this is the Body Shop Strawberry Shower Gel. This retailed for rupees 345, I think, for 250 ml of this. I love the consistency of it. I love love how it smells. I love the entire strawberry range from the Body Shop, you guys. You know what? इसका जो खुशबू है ना, ये इतना अच्छी है. I might wonder that why this girl constantly talks about how a particular product smells, but I'm very sensitive to smell, and I just feel like if someone who is watching, any one of you who is also very sensitive to smell, then I should give you that clarity about how it smells. So which is why I emphasize on the smell so much. Although I would say one thing, that if you expect that you will keep smelling like strawberries after using it, no, you won't. Now this can be a bad thing for someone, and this can be a positive thing for someone. So if you do want to smell like the shower gel after you have stepped out of the shower, then I don't think this actually does much for that. However, I still really love it. If you remember any of my Body Shop shampoo review videos, you would know how much I love the shampoo from the strawberry range. So yeah, it is not a surprise that I love this, and if I'm going to repurchase it, I'm definitely going to repurchase it, especially during the winters. So there's that. Next in the skincare empties category, I have the Clean and Clear Pimple Clearing Face Wash. Now again, this particular face wash is something that I have been constantly using for the entire of the past month, and it has been working really well to keep the oil in my skin at bay. क्योंकि इधर गर्मी बहुत थी and मेरी skin oily हो जा रही थी बहुत, and it was like very helpful when it came to keeping the oil at bay. However, now recently with the weather change and everything, what I'm noticing is that it is making my skin really very dry. So I have used it up completely. I do not see myself using it very recently again, so I'm definitely not going to repurchase it. However, I do like it a lot. The only reason I'm not going to repurchase it is because of the weather change, and I do not have a particularly extremely oily skin. I have a combination skin which is very sensitive as well, and I also have an oily T-zone. However, with the weather change, the only reason I'm not going to repurchase it is because I do not need my skin to feel as dry as it is making my skin feel right now. I had done a video on my channel where I had done a review and a comparison of the really popular drugstore face washes, super affordable face washes that are available in the Indian market, and a comparison between them, because I know people who have really oily skin, how hard it is for them to come across a product that is going to really keep that oil at bay. So if you're watching and if you have super oily skin that you do not know which face wash is going to do justice to it, then you can check that video out. Okay, next up in skincare, I again have another product from the Body Shop, and it is the Body Shop Cocoa Butter Lip Care Stick, which is basically their cocoa butter lip balm. I'll just show you. I have just very little left, only this much left, and I really love it. It is super moisturizing. I love the smell of cocoa butter, and I do not basically have a lot to say about this except for that it is great for everybody who has very very dry and chapped lips. I think it is super moisturizing. It works great for my lips. I have actually used it today as well, and whether I'm going to repurchase it or not, yes, I'm definitely going to repurchase it, but not now in the winters. Yes, I am definitely going to repurchase it. 5 products down, 5 more to go. So the next product that I have almost finished, although no, I have not completely finished it, and this is the Body Shop SHEA Butter Richly Replenishing Shampoo. Guys, I have made so many videos on my channel about how much I love this one now. If you watch it, it is going to really help you guys. I promise you, it's super helpful. I have answered each and every one of your questions, and I'm pretty sure if you're someone new watching my channel, I have answered any question that you might be having in those videos as well. All I can say is that when my hair gets really dry, especially during these weather change periods, this shampoo works really well for me, which is why I wanted to include it in this video, even though I have not completely used this up like all the other products, but I'm definitely going to repurchase it sometimes in the future. However, I think the next time that I have hit the bottom of the bottle with this one, I'm going to try another Body Shop shampoo. I will probably not buy this again recently, but that does not mean that I'm not going to repurchase it because I do not like it, but because there are other shampoos too that I like. इधर ना मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ. You guys know I make so many hair care related videos or hairstyle videos on my channel, right? So उन videos में ना मैं बार बार एक ही बात कहती हूँ, और वो ये है कि ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट है ही नहीं इस दुनिया में जो कि आपकी सारे जो हेयर प्रॉब्लम्स है वो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड विच प्रोडक्ट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू टू डिसाइड विच प्रोडक्ट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. एंड आपका हेयर का जो नीड है ना वो वेदर के साथ टाइम के साथ इट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. नो इफ यू हैव सम टाइम गाइस, वॉच दोस वीडियोस एंड इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू हेल्प you so much. I have some absolutely game-changing tips in all of those. These are simple things or things that usually escape our mind. So just keep in mind guys that you have to be mindful about what your hair needs at which point of time, and you have to be mindful about what type of hair you have, what product is good for you. Okay, so promise me you will do that, okay? And while we are at this hair care subject, please go drink some water after you have finished watching these videos. Water is so great for the hair guys, and like basically water is great for your entire body. So please remember to drink water, take care of yourself, and I'm moving on to the next product. Okay, the next product that I've completely used up is this one. It is the Toni and Guy Damage Repair Mask. Retails for ₹1,000. Quite steep, I know. Entire video dedicated to reviewing this particular product on my channel. I love this in one word. Am I going to repurchase it? After I have finished the Mamaearth hair mask that I'm using currently, I am definitely going to repurchase it. Love this product. The penultimate product is quite popular on my channel, and this is the Body Shop Drops of Light Serum. Why did I use it up? You know, ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ कि आप क्या है ना, you have spent a lot of money on a particular product or you do not even like it, but you still have to use it up because you have already spent the money on it. So ये जो Drops of Light serum है ना, इसके साथ मेरा relationship कुछ वैसा ही है. So I only used it up because I spent exactly ₹2495 on this, and it basically did nothing for my skin. Gosh, I hate this product. इतना घटिया product है ये कि मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ. Very point of you might be wondering कि you're constantly saying कि इसका review मैंने डाली हुई है, उसका review मैंने डाली हुई है. All of this you will find in my channel. The reason why I'm showing you all these products in my empty stack is because I want to show you that I actually use the products that I mention in my channel, that I review in my channel, and that I tell you that I actually use. Okay, so I really want to show you that I actually use all of these products on me. हूँ ही मैं आपकी guinea pig, तो I use them on me, and which is why I'm showing this to you and saying that I have reviews of these on my channel. एक वीडियो जो है ना इसका रिव्यूज में वो 5 से 10 मिनट्स तक लेंथ है उसकी, एंड आई लाइक डूइंग माई ओन रिसर्च बिफोर रिव्यूइंग अ प्रोडक्ट. आई यूज इट कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन मी फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 weeks बिफोर गिविंग यू गाइस माई वर्डिक्ट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. सो अगर इस वीडियो में मैं उतनी डिटेल्स में जाऊँ जितना डिटेल में मैं जाती हूँ, जाना पसंद करती हूँ एक प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू करने में, देन आई हैव अराउंड 10 or 11 products, and this video will be an hour long. So which is why I'm telling you guys that I already have detailed reviews of any of the products that you see here on my channel, of all these products, and I just want to show you that which one of these I have completely used up, why I have used them up, and whether I'm going to repurchase it or not. If I am going to repurchase the Body Shop Drops of Light Serum, no, 100 times no. And I'm going to ask each and every one of you who is watching this video to not repurchase it. I only have 2 products left now, and that is the Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh. This wasn't a very expensive product. I think it was around ₹200. However, to remember my review video on this, I had said that I did not like this one. However, the time is such that we are having to continuously use hand sanitizers, and it is making our hands so dry. So I found another way to reuse this particular cream, and that is I actually used up this cream as a hand cream. So every time my hands started feeling a bit dry after constantly washing my hands and using hand sanitizer and rubbing my hands this as a hand cream, whether I'm going to repurchase it, I think you can guess the answer. Okay guys, last but not least, I have actually finished a lipstick that I love with all my heart, and that is the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Pose. I have a full-on tutorial using this lipstick, guys. I love this so much, and the reason why I have used up this lipstick in the lockdown is because you might notice that in most of my videos I wear a red lipstick. I love matte red liquid lipsticks, and this is the lipstick that I have been consistently using and wearing in all my videos. Even these are a bit expensive, around 2200 rupees I think. However, these are very good, super smooth, super pigmented, very matte but very comforting. You wouldn't even feel that you are wearing a lipstick even though you keep on layering it. So whether I'm going to repurchase it, I'm definitely going to repurchase it. It is one of my most favorite red lipstick shades of all time. That is it for today's quarantine empties video, and I hope that it helped you decide what you want in your that you want for yourself, please let me know, and which of the products you're going to give a miss, and thereby you realize that I actually helped you save some of your money, and which is exactly why you should subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ting beside it, because if you do not know, I keep uploading such amazing videos on my channel and you are going to miss out on them. So make sure that you switch the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to check out the description box. I have all the videos that I mentioned in this particular video enlisted in the description box. Now go comment under this video. Have a great week ahead, guys. Don't forget to take care of yourself, and I am going to see you very soon. Bye guys.